and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Alright, so hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, coming straight out of a food pantry from downtown, we've got Snapdragon beef pho. I'm guessing it ended up in there because, well, you know, and yeah, so let's give this a try. There were two different ways to do it. One was in the microwave and one was steeping it. I kind of wanted to do the microwave thing, but it's a pack version, so that means I've got to find something that I can slap in the microwave and isn't going to be weird. And I didn't really have that on hand, so we'll start with adding the noodles and stuff. What's actually weird is it doesn't fit, folks. This is like at the outset, we're already in trouble. Okay, you're supposed to put it in a cup and a quarter of boiling water, cover it and let it sit. There's no way that's going to work in this pot. Maybe it's just because the pot is too broad. They're mentioning doing that in a bowl. A cup and a quarter? That's, I don't know. I'm like, wait, let's see. 3 minutes. And honestly, to make this work, I'm going to have to give it a little bit of schwizzle the whole time, but I'll do that. I'm not above schwizzling my noodle. So this morning, after watching a bunch of stuff, hanging out this weekend, I decided I would join Blue Sky, which is like an alternative to X / Twitter. And no, there was a thing on there. I don't want plastic to melt on the burner. Anyways, yeah, so there's Blue Sky now, and instead of a Tweety bird like Twitter originally had, it's a butterfly. So I'm on there. Look up the Ramen Raider on Blue Sky. It's November 18th, 2024, so I've been on there a while. But at this point, I have no people following me, so you could be the first. I don't know. I mean, I'm on Threads too, and all of a sudden, I'm just getting crap loads of people subbing on Threads, and I think it honestly has to do with Elon Musk's buddy. But I actually met somebody who works for Elon Musk. Works for SpaceX as an aerospace engineer this weekend. Cool dude. It was interesting. Nice talk. And yeah. But yeah, the whole thing with Musk and Trump and all these weird people that picked, I'm wondering if any of those people are going to get through. There's so many of them, I guess a couple will, but I just want to know who he picks, what job he gives to Marjorie Taylor Greene. Will he give her one? What a snub if he doesn't, right? I mean, he's hooking up a lot of crazy people already, so, you know, what's one more? Add in Karen Supreme. I don't see why not. But I wonder if the sun's going to come out again. It has been coming out and going away and coming back out and going back away. It's nice when it's put away, because then I don't have to deal with putting up the protective brightness screen deal. God, this isn't even done. I'm stirring the hell out of it. Was 3 minutes the right amount? I'm pretty sure. 3 to 5. Okay, so let's do it again, and when it gets to the 1 minute, we can call it good. At 3 minutes, let's try the noodle. This feels really rigid still. getting there. I don't know. Getting there is doing some heavy lifting. It definitely needs a little more time. But yeah, the only way to get this stuff to work right is to stir and stir and stir. And really, there's not a ton of broth at this point either. Ow. I don't know what I did, man, but my wrist all of a sudden in the last 10 minutes, ooh. It's like my thumb down to my wrist. I think that's what they call it. Oh, there comes the dang sun again. Isn't that the carpal tunnel thing, though? I guess I could have gotten some cilantro, aka coriander, but I didn't really feel like it. I could use some... Oh, God, that's right. There was a guy who had a big tantrum because I squirted... sriracha directly on pho and took a photo of it, and he was like, "You've destroyed that pho." I'm like, oh, because that's all you see at the pho joints around here, people like doing exactly that. Oh my God. For a instant pho, it's not bad. And that is like, there's only one instant pho that I've been like, oh my God, this is freaking amazing. Only one. And that stuff is extremely pricey. Honestly, that stuff is like, what? 10, 15 bucks a serving? There's this company called Souply, and they make, like, it comes with a napkin, a fork, a spoon, all the stuff. And it comes with a sachet with, like, beef flank in it, you know? I mean, it's like, they're definitely doing a lot of work. They're making it so. You know, shove you down that way. I know it's not the standard, but I will drop on. That might have been a little much. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Cool. It's like, where'd my pho go? Holy pho. Not my pho, but my sriracha. I can't talk today. This is the Roland Sriracha chili sauce. Why did I pick this one? Because it's different. Do I like Hoi Fong? No. I like Shark Brand, and I like Sriracha Paniche. You're like, what's that, Ramen Raider guy? I've only heard of the one with the rooster on it, the cock sauce. Actually, Sriracha Paniche, that one is Thai, because Sriracha is in Thailand. Sriracha. Anyways, look at that. Well, that looks nice. I think that looks okay. And I don't really want to listen to somber. Let's see this. Well, today is flying by. Wow, it's only 1:50. I'm on my third one next. Holy cow, man, that's crazy. So the next one is going to be another one from a Nakama Noodles box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider if you want to get one of these boxes. Anyways, this is a Sapporo Ichiban, what do they call it? Something travel ramen. And it's tan ramen, like tan men. But it's not tan men. So that'll be next. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.